Hey guys, this is RLC321. Welcome to the finale of the Guyver build. Oh yes. Here it is. All done. All complete. Looking, if I may say so, fairly swish. A few problems with the kit, yes. It's a knockoff. There's going to be problems. You can't get away from that fact. But for the price and the fact that you cannot actually get this kit anymore, brilliant. You can't ask for more, to be fair. It's most of it went together really well, other than obviously underneath here where the mega boosters are, and there was nothing there at all, so I had to kind of like fill something in. I put a gloss varnish over the top of it, which I use my Pledge Future floor polish thingamabobby. Use that. It went really well. As you can see, it looks really nice, but I've done it in such a way where most of the inside armor bits, like in here, is really glossy, whereas the rest of the armor is more of a satin effect, so it's not as glossy as the other one. I managed to get the blue in the head detail that I wanted to do right there. The eyes are just painted silver with orange, Tamiya orange over the top, clear orange, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. As I say, I'm liking it. A few things I'll do differently. In hindsight, I should have got some plaster of Paris and filled it with plaster of Paris to give it some more stability, because it is very wobbly, as you can see, and I'm hardly even touching it. Look, you can see how much I'm touching it there. Very wobbly, very light. So I suppose it's one of two things. It's good that it's light, because it's not going to break that often when it falls or anything like that. But you never know. It's there. So anyway, that's the model. Base wise, I found this right here, and I think it's going to look pretty awesome on there like that, because the same guy that does the Guyver, he also does a Zoinoid, a few Zoinoids actually. So I'm going to get one of the Zoinoids to put on this side of the base as well, so it makes it look like he's using his Mega Smasher to kill the Zoinoid. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's not going to be a diorama base. I'm just going to have a Zoinoid on there just so it looks like it, you know. I'm not going to do anything like that. This is the base. I'm actually is actually quite good. I like it as it is. But I just thought something like that would add a little bit of depth, add a little bit of interest, you know, other than just having the Guyver just sitting on here or just sitting there like that. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Yeah. So be on the lookout for that. The Zoinoid, and then putting him on this base here. But yeah, I do like how this effect came out. I really do. I think it looks really awesome, and the Guyver just looks awesome. I'm loving the 3-tone blue that we've got going on here. Actually, it's actually more of a 4-tone blue if you count with the really dark blue, where you had the black for the pre-shading, and then you got the dark blue over the top of there, then you got the normal dark blue, then you got the medium blue, then you got the electric blue. So it really adds a bit of depth and character to the model kit, other than just painting it all blue. That's it, leaving it, job done. No, add a bit of character to your models. Give them a bit of je ne sais quoi. Is that even a word? And look, you see, I'm still even now I'm finding problems. Hurry up, salvage, come on. Focus. Look, there's a big hole right there, and this bit here is all rough as well, but it doesn't matter. I paid £12.79 for this kit, £12.79, and I'm liking it, you know. And as I say, there's a few things I need to look up on and figure out how to fill it with plaster of Paris and things like that. So, but anyway, there's the finale of the Guyver. I hope you enjoyed the video. video series, and look forward to more videos coming in the future. So this is ROC321 saying goodbye, and take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.